ABC 15 anchor Justin Pizzera. Justin is joining us live from an evacuation center at Skyline High School in Mesa. Justin, the Red Cross ready to take care of families there for the long haul, because right now they have no idea when they will be allowed to go back inside their homes. This is always the most heartbreaking part of covering these fires, and you mentioned that earlier, Justin.
Yeah, it really is, because these folks don't know when they get to go back home, and then they don't even know what they're going home to. Is the home going to be severely damaged? Are they going to have a home at all? So just the mental anguish that some of these folks are going through. I am joined by Jim right now. He is from the Red Cross. This is one of the shelters that you guys have set up. Good morning, and thanks for joining us. How's it going in there? How many people are we talking about at this point?
We got a little bit over 20 here at the Skyline High School, and we have over 32 pets here. So people brought their pets, which is a great idea, and the Arizona Humane Society is doing a fabulous job taking care of their pets.
There's another shelter that's set up not far from here for livestock as well.
Yeah.
But we heard the sheriff department saying at one point, go ahead and don't wait until it's too late. Go ahead and evacuate.
Yeah, it's very important. First thing, you should all be prepared before wildfire season. Be prepared. Have an emergency kit ready, done, so you can get out quickly. But don't wait until you find a place for your pets or your livestock. Get out. That's the most important thing, is your family and your life on that. So get prepared. Bring important papers with you to the shelter. Pet shot records. Bring those too.
So this is one location. There's another shelter as well. Is that
Yes.
correct?
High Desert Middle School in Globe.
And so if anybody, they need shelter, they just show up? Is it as easy as that?
That's the best way to do it. Number one, get out. If you're in an evacuation area, get out quickly and go to the nearest shelter. We have two set up, one here in Mesa and one in Globe. Just show up. Again, bring papers if you have pets with you, so we can keep them in the kennel and separate from the other folks too.
Talk about just the mental anguish that these folks are going through, because they have no idea what's actually happening.
No, if I was in their position, my house is up there, and I don't know if when I come back, it's going to be a house. So yes, they're all tired, mentally tired too, and exhausting. So the American Red Cross is there to help you out. We have mental health care volunteers and health care providers too, to help anybody who needs some assistance on that.
Alrighty, Jim from the Red Cross, thank you. I know you said that you were here late last night, back here earlier this morning. Thank you. He has, of course, a very busy day ahead of him. I do want to run through this, Nick and Kaylee, really quick. We do know that 60% of Miami basically has been told to evacuate. We're talking about 450 homes in the Miami, top of the world, Claypool area. They have been told to evacuate. Superior has pretty much been told to just be on standby. So a lot of questions this morning on when these folks can come home. These firefighters, there are a couple hundred firefighters, Nick and Kaylee, that are working so hard right now to put out the fire and keep this fire from progressing to any of these structures.
Yeah, but Justin, of course, we heard him say, if you are in one of those areas, you need to evacuate, and you need to do it now, because we're seeing how quickly these fires are moving. Our Justin Pizzera live for us this morning. Justin, thank you for your complete coverage. Now, we know this is a lot to keep track of, so we're here to help out and take action. You can find the latest information on evacuation orders and road closures on abc15.com, and sign up for breaking news alerts on the free ABC 15 mobile app.